It's tremendous to be out here today partnering with KABOOM and Related Affordable Foundation to bring 2 brand new playgrounds to the Summer Point apartment community. This is now our 5th playground that we've had the opportunity to build with KABOOM.
My experience has been incredible, and actually see the playgrounds come to fruition and be able to help build them is something that I really enjoy and very happy to be a part of.
We love the reoccurring partners. That's something that we've really tried to push for in our years of doing it, just because we like to establish the connection with the community members, with our funding partners.
Great to be out in the community. At its heart, Related is all about community building and providing great spaces for people to live and work. I think it's something that really drives all of our employees, that ability to get out and give back in the community.
So I'm a mom of 2, and my son Silas is gonna be 2 next month, and my daughter Luna, she's gonna be 7, and we are super excited to enjoy the new play space.
The people who use this playground are residents here, are the kids here, the parents here, they'll be using the space. So we want to make sure that we're putting in something that best reflects their wants, wishes, and needs.
There's 225 units, over 600 residents live here, 200 plus of which are children.
A lot of times we work with partners and they want everything in one footprint, and you kind of get half the best of both worlds. But with the luxury of having a 5 to 12 and a 2 to 5 footprint, we're able to maximize the play opportunity for each age range.
The smaller kids get to play a little bit more safely without having the bigger kids running over them. And the bigger kids get to have a little bit more of a leeway without having the little children running under their feet.
I think it was important for me to be here to show my support, not only as a neighbor, but also the support of the city. We've been working very closely with Related on all the improvements that they've been doing here, and this is just another addition to this community.
Seeing the children, they were so excited to draw what their dream playground is going to look like. It was so funny because they wanted to make sure they drew just right and stayed in the lines, and then they revealed their playgrounds to us, and they were just so excited.
We had a huge number of kids come, a whole range of ages as well. And we had a lot of great themes come out from that.
I know my daughter is a player, she's a runner, she likes to jump, I like to read. So if I had a nice pretty planter bench next to the swings, I can watch her while she swings, and I can actually bring a book.
It was just wonderful to see the parents join with their kids, sit with their kids, help them, assist them, and then allow them to dream and to vision.
My son that's 7 was included in the design, and he pretty much was looking for his design in the build. So he's anxious to see when it's all finished.
Working for a company that gives back is really, really important to me as an employee. You don't always get an opportunity to get your hands dirty and kind of see what life is like on the other side.
It really puts into perspective all that we do here at Related. Being here in person and seeing the beautiful impact that we're about to have.
That's what Related is all about. Bringing energy, bringing life to make these properties a home for people.
Related has been great to work with. It's been 2 years since we started the conversation, and I think it's great for the rest of the community to see that these property owners care. They care about their residents. I think this will open it up to this whole community to meet other people and make some new friends for both the children and the parents, and maybe build their support system.
We used to say they're like a muscle builder, a friendship maker.
I hope that they'll take pride in knowing that their voice matters and their opinion matters. And I hope that they'll be proud of what they've done here.
It means so much because it just shows how many people have a big heart to do something so sweet. They just want to come and make a change in the community that's really beneficial to the kids, to the parents, to family life that they just did not have before.